Line to line 3, 396. Putik ang layo. Ang layo ng diferensya. Ulit. Line 1, line 2, 382. Line 1, line 3, 388. Line 2, line 3, 395. Ang layo. Unbalanced voltage.
Not balance.
Unbalanced. Pero bakit?
What's the cause of non-balance? Because the electricity in the Philippines is not
Pero lahat dito kumukuha eh. 3C, 2C, 2F leads. CCU, tatlong CCU na dito kumuha.
this one is this trip breaker.